bro. So take me through this cut, man. We back here, cut through the noise with Zach The Barber.
So right here, bro, this actually probably one of my favorite cuts is that high tip fade, bro. And it's my favorite because just how it looks, bro. But most importantly, probably B, it's for damn near any type of cut, especially like if you're thinning or anything like that on the sides, like, or if you got like tough, how can I say it, tough hairs on your curves. So sometimes some people curve, the stubborn to cut, so you can't get that real crisp, like, cause it's usually do the cowlicks, you know, your braid of hair a little different right there. So when you just take it off and you blend it straight up, it just gives it a more exaggerated fade and it lasts longer.
Yeah, okay.
The issue is this, to perfect it, you gotta learn how to keep the sides dark. And man, I learned this from my boy in college, bro, Ray-Ban Reese. That's the one I told you, he's the designer. Yo, we used to call him Baby Jesus. He did everything, bro. He cut hair, man. He made clothes. He rapped. He sang, bro. I knew he was Baby Jesus one day I came home, bro. This nigga was fixing the vacuum cleaner. And I said, bro,
yeah, all right, bro.
What the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck don't you do?
What's the biggest thing that's different to you? Like from having, cause this is a clean ass temp fade, and we all know that niggas, no matter how long you had your hair, you get that little urge to get that fade there now and then. Hit them clippers, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what it is about having hair, bro. It's just like, it's a little journey, bro. Like even Zach number 2, hair journey, bro. I was cutting it off, bro. I remember I'm talking to him like, Zach, bro, cause we talk about, you know, being honest, bro. Zach got really curly hair, so when it's low, it's so hard for me to line it up. So I used to always preach Zach, like, bro, like, nigga, it'll be so better if you grow it out, bro. Man, I'm gonna grow it out after I think graduate or something like that. So I'm gonna grow it out. We'll do it. Came time we start growing it and we start really chopping. I'm telling you, like, yeah, bro, when you have longer hair, bro, it's a journey, but just like, I don't know, the results just like pop a little bit more. Cause it's the exaggeration of having long hair and everything in order around it, yeah, bro. But it's the journey I was talking about, bro. It's like my locks, bro. We was talking earlier. I eat cereal and I gotta pull my hair back cause my hair fall into my bowl. You know what I'm saying, bro? It was a point in time that part of my dread was sitting on top of my head. And I was waiting on that motherfucker to drop. You know what I'm saying, bro? But it's a journey, bro. I done seen everything from me being broke, me losing weight, elevating in this game. And this the cowlick part, right? I was telling you about. Yeah.
Yeah, I see you
gotta cut a different way, bro, with that, bro. And that's how again, me cutting this hair for years on in at this point, but I know it, but you gotta be careful with cutting new people's hair. Listen, man, he be disappointing me, man, only cause he don't like to wear his do-rag. If he wore his do-rag, when I first started cutting Stu hair up here, I'm talking about 360s, bro. For real. And he grew it out one time, bro, and then cut it off, and he just never tapped back into the wave game, bro. I be on him, man.
Wave game hard to tap.
Oh, bro.
It's hard to tap into?
It's hard, bro.
I gotta look.
First, if you don't get the results you want, bro.
Cause it take time, bro. It's no maintenance to dreads. Keep it a bean. Like, bro, I got a video on my Instagram, bro. When I was trying to really do, I think it's right before Real, so I was recording. Yeah. I'm cutting his hair, bro, and I'm cutting it down. He trying to get his waves back at this point in time. And I had a little snippet, bro, cause you know, we like to play the chill. I cut it off and I'm just like, yeah, nigga, you not spinning. He's like, I ain't spinning. I said, yeah. I had it in the mirror, bro. He just bust out laughing, bro. We cried, bro. He said, man, cut my hair, bro. He said, yeah. But like, he used to be like top dog spinning, bro. He just lost the love for it.
I feel it, man. But I ain't gonna hold you, bro. My shit was kind of tough, though. I had this. This is the secret, bro, that niggas don't know. When I had my shit spinning, bro, you got a shower brush. Niggas don't know, man. So
what year did you have your spin? You was like college?
I'm talking about since like middle school, though. Like middle school.
I'm about to say, bro. I'm about to say, I don't like to compare my waves with people, bro, because I had waves and I was spinning, bro. But in the era where like, all this new hot, like new end wavers, bro, with the plastic bags and the 2 do-rags out there. I wasn't doing none of that, bro. I was brushing my hair, had a good little moisturizer, bro, and I was spinning, bro.
I would have done it, but I didn't need to, bro. Listen, all I needed was that hard brush, just a little bit.
I had a medium, bro. I had a medium brush. That's what I need, bro. You know, niggas got curved brushes and shit now, bro. I was going to my mama bathroom, finding a little, all right, cool. Brush it down, that's it, bro.
All real niggas need is a brush and a do-rag. That's bare minimum. That's all you need.
This how you
bare
know this what
minimum.
I mean. Oh, I ain't even have a do-rag, bro. I had a day-day stocking cap, bro.
Oh yeah,
Nigga, oh no, I was getting right, bro.
Tough with it.
I was, oh, that's what I'm saying. That's how long ago it was, bro. That started growing my hair out.
Nah, I feel it though, man.
Then I went to the little curly, you know, the little curly with the tip fade before it became the dirty fro.
Cannot go wrong with that.
Can't, bro. You can't lose with it, especially when the face hair start growing. This one of the most detailed parts right here, bro. That back of the neck line, bro.
Yeah, you can see that shit crisp.
Yeah,
that shit is
bro.
4K y'all are looking at right now. That shit.
You gotta bring it to life, bro. One at a time, bro. What we talking about?
Zach, are you Zach number 2? Are you Zach number 2?
I'm older, bro. Don't do that. I'm older, bro. Yeah, that's old. Don't do it. It ain't no.
I'm gonna put it like this.
Oh, God.
That's Zach The Barber.
Was that the ball? Okay.
Okay.
That's Zach The Barber. Now, hey, honestly, shouldn't be no other Zachs after that, but
It should be no other Zachs out of Zach The Barber.
you feel me?
I'm like 5 years older than you, Zach.
You blessed with such a name, man. You got that shit right.
I don't know if y'all can hear it, man, the back and forth, man, but it's me. Of course, you got Zach The Barber, and I got Zach right here, man. I only think y'all can see him here, but he in the frame, so y'all know what's going on, man. But, yo, you killed this part, bro. You killed this part,
That's
bro.
that cowlick in the front, man. You gotta be gentle with it, bro. You gotta really be delicate with it.
That shit elite, man. Yeah, you chopped this one, dog. I ain't gonna hold it. This gonna be the whole last half of the video of me saying, damn, you killed this shit.
I ain't nothing wrong with it, bro. I be feeling that way still, bro, to this day, bro.
One hair at a time.
Man. And again, bro, every end of every cut, I be looking back like, God damn, boy. This shit, man, again, bro, this is another one, bro. No enhancer, bro. This is all just clipper work, wrist work, man.
So check this out. I got a question. What's your first pair of clippers?
The OGs, man. The
The
T
Andes.
outliners.
The
Yeah,
Andes,
the
yeah,
Andes T
Andes.
outliners, bro.
The Andes T outline.
Yeah, bro. I mean, they not, you know, I'ma always have a place in my heart for them. I'll never get rid of them, bro. But these right here, these babblers, oh my God, bro. Nothing to cut like a man.
That's a well done.
Yes, sir, bro.
Yeah.
That more than that
No.
clipper, bro.
Already know.
That shit is undefeated, bro. And this is the point I wanted to get to, bro. After you got this on camera, bro. Male grooming don't have to stop at just a haircut, bro. And this isn't him getting his eyebrows arched, nothing, bro. You just clean up, bro. Sometimes you got rich blood and you just be hairy. Ain't nothing wrong with cleaning the eyebrows up just a tad, man. It's something slight, bro. You know, yeah, I'm not doing no whole little arching or nothing, bro. Like, I'm getting a lot of little small hairs that just
You ain't threading the shit.
at all, bro. And it makes the cut that much cleaner, bro. The only hair you see is hair on his eyebrows and his head, bro.
And I heard some shit like that. So like, if you got sharper eyebrows, don't it make your hairline sharp? Like, isn't that like you think
yeah,
when you
because
cut
you
it?
have, if you're not seeing, bro, and you don't see it unless you close, bro, but it's these little hairs that try to connect from your eyebrows to your hair. So you know what I'm saying, bro? If you cutting them off, then it just shows, all right, this is two different parts of their hair, bro. And especially if you are hairy, bro. K still got one of my favorite tip fades, bro, just because it's great hair.
Mm-hmm. Nah, that shit fire.
The transition is so smooth with this haircut. What's going on? I'm Zach The Barber, best barber in Charlotte, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, checking me out. There'll be more to come.